What's going on YouTube, and welcome to this new Chime episode. So there's this question that most Chime users are always wondering: what time does direct deposit hit account? Okay, so first off, there are factors and a couple of things that you need to understand in order to predict the exact timing that direct deposit should hit your account, and know that the time that direct deposit hits one account is not that same time that it will definitely hit your own account. So for you to understand more of this, I will be explaining what you should expect, or what time you should expect direct deposits to hit your account, and what factors might influence Chime direct deposit from hitting your account at the expected time. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm David Kelly, a fintech content creator and a digital payments pro from the M Tutorials team, and I'll be your host in this video. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So if you've ever used Chime before for direct deposit, you should know that they give you access to your funds up to 2 days earlier before your payday. Well, this is a great factor that Chime is good at, and they've been 7 days for years now. And if you are wondering what time that your Chime direct deposit should hit your account, it should hit your account at 9 a.m. of the day. For the day, each day has its own set of time, and this one is going to differ based on a couple of factors that hinder or that affect the direct deposit timing with Chime. There are many factors that affect this direct deposit timing on Chime, and the two main factors that you should keep in mind are your bank and employer's payroll software. Okay, going to the bank's end, you need to understand that if your bank submits this payroll, or if your employer submit your payroll or your paycheck to its bank, and that this one delays to process this payment, you will be receiving your direct deposit even late. Okay, so if it's that you normally receive your direct deposit, let's say within 2 business days, and if your bank or if your employer's bank sends your payment later or on a different schedule, you will be receiving your payment, let's say, even within 2 to 3 or 4 business days, or even 5 in most cases. This is because of the automated clearinghouse that takes time to process direct deposits before sending them to individual accounts. But with Chime eliminates this hassle by making a breakdown in just 3 steps. How do they do it? Well, with Chime, they make these available within 2 to 3 days before even your payday. And if you see, this goes in 3 main steps, coming from the first 2 to the second to the third and the last step. But these ones are actually grouped for the same business day, so we consider this as a single business day. So for the second and third day, for the first and second step, beg your pardon, the employer sends your payroll information to its bank, and on the second business day, the automatic clearinghouse sorts and routes the payment information to each employee's bank, which is what I explained earlier. So the automatic clearinghouse is the one in charge to send individual payments to your bank account after it's finished processing the payroll from your employer's bank, okay, or from your employer's bank account. And on this same business day, if you did route your direct deposit through Chime processes this payment as soon as you received it from your employer's bank account. For sure, ACH has its own role in the process, but your employer and your bank are mainly the ones that decide when your paycheck should arrive your account. Okay, so for your employer side, they are the ones to decide to actually determine when they can schedule your payment. And if they schedule your payment on a late date, on a later date, you'll be receiving your payment even late. Same goes to your bank. If your bank releases the funds even late, you'll be receiving your funds on a later date. Let's say that your employer was to release your funds on Friday morning. They then release it on, suppose they release the funds on Friday evening, and your bank decides to release this one on its own day. So when your employer releases your paycheck on a Friday evening, normally you won't be counting from that period. You should have to count. You will not need to start counting from the next business day, which is on Monday. Okay, and it's from this Monday that all of the process of the ACH will start handling the transfer, making it available to your bank or through Chime. All right. So for you to understand what time your Chime direct deposit should hit your account, you need to understand the factors that influence this timing. First off, you need to understand that your employer and your bank are the ones that will have you heavily impact or influence the payment time. Okay, and also another factor that might also alter or might also affect this direct deposit timing is holidays or weekend. Okay, so you need to make sure that your employer, if your employer releases your paycheck on a holiday or on a weekend, you'll be receiving it. You need to start counting from the next business day. Say your employer releases this on a Saturday, you need to start counting as from Monday, which is the next business day. So those are just a few factors that affect or heavily affect your direct deposit timing with Chime. But rest assured, as soon as Chime receives this money, they will make it available for your account just even 2 days before the payday, as I showed earlier. So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn that notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.